Okay, here's a freaking Loud and Clear stamp. If you don't have this, you're not cool. Sorry.
We have loads of great performances tonight. Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Sinéad and this is Rachel. And we are going to be singing some songs for you. So I've caught it, I'm over it now. Now get over it now. I should be moving on or trying to, but you're still on the brain. More chasing dreams and memories, feeling love you're not meant to be. So I guess thanks you set me free. I can shed a tear that I miss you. You have found her.
What are we thinking, guys?
Heck yeah.
I think it was an Aurora.
So what did we think of the first performance of the
Absolutely
night?
fabulous.
But what did you think of the performance? The first
Amazing,
performance?
amazing.
Never quit. Hold on to that. For all the people that don't, this is for you. It's called Can You Take It? One day, you're gonna be late for the day that does nothing but start over and over and over again. That feeling of love from someone. Now I know that you have been feeling it too. Then fell in love, and I wrote the lyrics to this about how we met and how I feel. Run away, I've got to get away from the pain you drive into the heart of me. The love we share seems to go nowhere, and I lost my light, for I toss and turn, I can't sleep at night. And I'm sorry I don't bring that way.
Are
Hey,
you ready for the first performance?
the first or the third?
Third.
The third. I'm so ready.
What did you think of the last performance?
Absolutely amazing. I think every act has been fucking fabulous. And we've got some good vocals too between us. Except Aaron's Aaron?
Yeah,
Who's
oh my
Aaron?
days, what
Who's
the hell?
Aaron?
Who's that?
Who is Aaron?
Don't know who that is.
Aaron's camera is really I've never called you Aaron ever. That's so
I know
weird.
what's going on.
What's going on?
Why?
Alright guys, so we are, if we had a band name, we decided it would be Betty White. So we are Betty White. So from this side of the stage we've got Niamh over here, we've got Maddie, a girl upstairs, and this is Ashari. So we've got a wee mix of songs we've written together as a group and also new versions of our own songs that we've sort of done together as well, yeah. So this is a song, when this project started, I'd just come back from a little group trip away with some friends and I really wanted to write about that sort of warm fuzzy feeling you get in your chest when you've just spent time with people who know you really well and you can be really stupid and make a fool of yourself, but it's okay. So it's called With You and I hope you like it. I took the train, headed north. It's been a year I've not forgotten the hijinks of last January. Left there with a glow on my chest.
What did you think of the last two performances?
They were fire as fuck. That's all I'm going to say.
What's happening, troops? It's the main YouTuber himself.
How was it?
All three performances, 10 out of 10, really good. What did you think of the final performance?
I thought it was absolutely amazing. Everyone was so talented.
What did you think of the performances?
Sick.
2 days later.
Alright, kill the vlog's on.
The vlog's on. Hi vlog. Amber Young's coming. Eminently, guys.
Yeah.
Hey vlog.
What's happening?
It's nice. Reminds me of something. Oh my god, look at the cheese. It's like...
Nectar. It's the roses, man.
In the life of a British geezer. I cured this. I cured this. I cured this. I cured this. Amber's freaking it. It's Clairo. It is. Summer's always better for a little bit of steam. That's what I've been saying.
What's your favourite album?
Preacher's Dog. I respect people that say like the other ones, but they're wrong and they're stupid and they're ugly, just like my mum.
Disrespectful that. Disrespectful.
What?
Anyone who likes perverts.
What?
What? Good album. Yeah, no, I'm like trying to. Oh,
Who likes perverts?
Did you get that? The Edel hates perverts.
Who likes perverts?
It does.
What?
What? Huh? Oh, it's like right in the middle.
Oh, so vibes. Whoa. Your like zoom's really sensitive. I did it really slowly. Oh wait, I can see me in there.
Huh?
Sorry, nothing. What are you drinking?
I am drinking the... You're probably going to butcher that, the Ashy Super Dry beer.
Oh, this looks so cool. Wait, do you know what would be really cool?
Yeah.
It's like, see flash during day towards sun. It's actually such a cool look, so I'm going to try it. I don't know if it will pick up. Just I'm trying to be artsy here. Oh, it doesn't really work on this because it's too... Yeah, do you know what? Do you know what? It doesn't matter.
You know what? You give it a try.
I gave it a try and that's all that matters. What a beautiful day. This is heavy. How small is your hand?
See, I can't put it on because I've got rings on.
Actually, yeah.
So
You look cool.
Thank you. Got my Bruno Mars type sunglasses for £1.50 at Primark.
Fire.
Yeah. Guys, why am I buzzing for
Have you ever had
anything? Like,
braids?
my
Eh?
Have you had braids?
No.
Are you here now?
I never will.
No, why not?
I'm the Afro type.
Or
I've had short hair, Afro, that's it.
fire.
That's today.
Have you had a baldy?
Let's not think about
Oh
that.
no.
I've not. I've never had a
The
ball
Sunday's
and I
probably
never will, and I
objectively
don't
the
really
better
want
day, but like
Fair
I
enough.
want to feel like a
one. Not even when I
fad.
grow old.
Yeah.
Are you looking in, Renee?
Let's just end
Huh?
it.
Are you looking in?
I'm so locked in.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
In the Harbour Lights. In the Harbour Lights.
Right, okay. You kind of called back to
B2B.
Who's B2B?
What?
Who said that? Someone thought B2B was an artist.
That was me.
Was it you? I was like, wait, who's it? I did think that first. I can hold my hands up there.
I've been here before. Back country. Screen door. Chilling with Diane Lee.
Hey, that's my grandma.
So coming of age, guys. I just remember when 15 first went.
Yeah. Tired.
Rate it.
Can you see it?
Yeah. What is it? Oh, an olive. Yeah, okay, eat that. Rate it out of 10.
Notes of up dog.
She's a funny one here, she's a funny one.
You've not fallen for that, have you? You're an absolute dafty. You're off your heat. You're off your heat.
Okay, rate it, rate it.
11 out of 10.
Fucking kill me.
What's that 1 minute Atlantic song? Oh, that's so bonkers.
Here you go. It's still recording.
You're so...
I flipped the switch on the generator.
Bye, guys!